Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you something that I got for my house. You know that I've been working on my living room since the beginning of the year, and I was looking for the perfect coffee table for my living room. I was looking for the perfect size because I know exactly what I wanted and the color. And one of the things that I was looking for, it was a table, but at the same time that it allowed me to hide those little things that you don't want anyone to see, but they're always in your living room. In my case, I have my kid, so I have all the little board games, so they're always everywhere in my living room. So I was trying to get a little beautiful table that let me put everything in, or just hide a little bit of the mess that it's always in my living room. And I think that I find the perfect one. I love the color. It was so easy to put it together. I did it by myself. That's how you know how easy it is. And I want to show you how it looks. So come with me.
And this is how you get it. It's really easy to put it together. I did it by myself, as I told you, and this is me finishing. And look at this beauty right here. It's the perfect size, everything that I wanted. I really like these little hidden handles. I think that they look so cute, and it has so much space for you to put everything you need in there, and it will look so aesthetic and cute. And as you can see, here's the little secret that I wanted to show you. You will have a ton of storage in a super cute and aesthetic way. And if you need a table for you to work on your laptop, this is the perfect one. It is so easy to switch it to office mode and then just put it back in a super smooth way, and that's it. I only added a few little details here and there, and here it is.
Super chic and minimalist. Just what I wanted.